Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet heart using a square. And so let's start. I'm going to make this beautiful heart. And if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share my channel. And let's start our heart. I'm taking the medium yarn. Hook size is 3.5 mm. First of all, I'll make a magic ring. Then I have to make chain 2 double crochet in the ring, chain 3, double crochet in the ring. Basically we have to make a square first, then chain 3 again, three double crochet in the magic ring, again we have to make 3 chains and 3 double crochet. Now again 3 chain. Now we have to pull the extra yarn to tighten up the square. Now slip stitch in the third chain to end up the round, as this is so cute square here. Now chain 2, double crochet in next stitches. After making 4 double crochet, we have to make 2 chain space in 2 double crochet in the chain space, then 2 chains and 2 more double crochet in the chain space to make a corner here. Then 4 double crochet in next 4 chains, after making these 4 double crochet we have to make corner in this chain space by making 2 double crochet in chain space, then 2 chain, then 2 double crochet. We have to repeat the same procedure till the end of the round. Then we will make a slip stitch in the very upper chain to end up the round. So here is a final look of our square. Then we will make a heart on it. We have to take one corner here and we'll make 10 triple crochet in chain 4. We have to make slip stitch in the corner and we'll make 10 triple crochet in chain 4. After completing 10 triple crochet in chain 4, I have to make a slip stitch in the next corner. Then again I have to make 10 triple crochet in the 4th chain. As you can see, this is very simple and easy procedure to make a heart. After making these 10 triple crochet in the next 4th chain, we will end up the round and this will look like a heart. We have to make slip stitch in the corner here and you can see this is a beautiful heart here. I hope you will like this video and please share it with your loved ones who want to learn the crochet. There are so many videos for the beginners as well. for more videos. Stay connected. Thank you so much.